Come, let's look at this JAMB past question physics 2018. Question number 25. In a series RLC circuit at resonance, the voltages across the resistor and the inductor are 30 volts and 40 volts respectively. What is the voltage across the capacitor? Option A, 30 volts, B, 70 volts, C, 50 volts, D, 40 volts. Now, for us to be able to appreciate this effectively, we need to know what resonance is, so that we will know what resonance in a series RLC circuit is. What is the significance of resonance in a series RLC circuit? Now, we can confidently say that resonance occurs in a series circuit when the supply frequency, whenever the supply frequency causes the voltages across L and C, that is inductance and capacitance, to be equal and opposite in phase. So whenever the voltage across the inductance, this is known as the inductance L, whenever the voltage across the inductance and the capacitance, or the inductor and the capacitor, is equal, we call it resonance. That is happening in a series circuit, and this is a series RLC circuit. So for there to be resonance, since we are saying that resonance is happening, it simply means that the voltage in the inductor, here this is the inductor, the voltage here is 40, is the same as that of the voltage of the capacitor. So the voltage of the capacitor is supposed to be 40 as well. So D is the right option as the answer. So whenever there is resonance, whenever there is this phenomenon called resonance, that means that the voltage across the capacitor and that across the inductor should be the same. They should be equal. So since the voltage on the inductor is 40, that of the capacitor is also 40. So that makes D the correct answer. So this is the kind of circuit that we're talking about. You have the capacitor is in series with the resistor, and this is the capacitor, this is the resistor, this is the inductor. So the voltage in the inductor, if it is V1, then the voltage in the capacitor is going to be V1 too. So in this case, we say that there is what? Resonance. So resonance occurs when the supply frequency causes the voltage across both the inductor and the capacitor to be equal, and in this case it is 40, and that is the answer. Then at resonance, we have what we call minimum impedance. It's also good that you note that at resonance we have minimum impedance. Minimum impedance at resonance. So that is the answer, is 40, because the voltage at the inductor is also 40. So at resonance, the voltage at the inductor and at the capacitor is the same. So it's 40, 40, and that is the answer. Thank you.